How to order from Amazon without an account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, if you're wondering, can I shop on Amazon as a guest? Stay tuned to find out. Getting straight into the point, unfortunately, Amazon does require you to have an account in order to check out. While you can browse all the products, read the reviews, and even add items to your cart, but you will hit a roadblock when it comes to pay. This is because Amazons need you to either log in or create an account before proceeding with your checkout. So here is a little workaround. If you do not want to make your own account, you can always use someone else's. Whether it's a friend or a family member, you can log in into their account to place the order. The best part is you can change the shipping address to your own, so the items will be sent directly to your location. However, you won't be able to track your order easily as you'll need to rely on the person to check the status of your purchase. So if you plan to shop more often, it is possible and worth on creating your own account. Also, it is completely free and takes just few minutes to set up account for Amazon. With your own account, you'll have full control over your orders. So this is all about guest login and check out in Amazon. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.